Right. Ndewo onye ọbụla. Kedu onye kwesịrị ịgụrụ anyị egwu tata? Kedu onye kwesịrị ịgụrụ anyị egwu tata? Kedu onye ọ bụ? Kedu onye kwesịrị ịgụ egwu tata? Welie aka gị elu. Who is the person who's supposed to sing for us the Igbo music, Igbo song today? Okay, Chiwetalụ. Chiwetalụ kwesịrị ịgụrụ anyị ihe. Chiwetalụ. Chiwetalụ, welie aka gị elu ọzọ. Get your hand up, Chiwetalụ. Okay, mute yourself. Unmute yourself, Chiwetalụ. Ngwa, gụọrọ anyị egwu. Go ahead and unmute yourself. I'm waiting. We are all waiting to hear you, Chiwetalụ.
Ebochoko ojima, ebochoko ojeke. Chineke nsa ife dube. Anam.
Chiwetalụ, can you sing loud? We want to hear you. Everybody want to hear you. Come on. Sing. Open your mouth and sing. We all want to hear you.
Ibochoko ojima, ibochoko onyedima, ke chikokan chiko.
Okay, Chiwetalụ. I'll give you a chance to learn it very well, okay? Ibuchukwu onye dị mma. I will send the lyrics, okay, to your mom, okay, Chiwetalụ. I will send the lyrics and then the recordings to help you. Ibuchukwu onye dị mma. Ibuchukwu onye dị ike. Chineke dị nsọ, ịdị ebube. Amara gị n'ebe anyị nọ, ebere gị n'ebe anyị nọ. Ebere means your mercy where we are. Ịbụ Chukwu onye dị mma, ịbụ Chukwu onye dị ike. Chineke dị nsọ, ịdị ebube. Amara gị n'ebe anyị nọ, ebere gị n'ebe anyị nọ. Anyị na-ebunye gị ukwu ekele. Chukwu gọzie ezinụlọ m, gọziere m nne na nna m. Biko gọziere m ụmụnne m. Gọziere m ikwu na ibe m, ma ndị enyi niile. Ana m ebunye gị ukwu ekele. So it goes like this. Ịbụ Chukwu onye dị mma, ịbụ Chukwu onye dị ike. Chineke dị nsọ, ịdị ebube. Amara gị n'ebe nna, ebere gị n'ebe nna. Ana m ebunye gị ukwu ekele. Chukwu gọzie ezinụlọ m, gọziere m nne na nna m. Biko gọziere m ụmụnne m. Gọziere m ikwu na ibe m, ma ndị enyi niile. Ana m ebunye gị ukwu ekele. So Chiwetalụ, you tried, ịgbalịrị. So I will send it to your mommy, okay? And you learn it. And once you're ready, you tell me. And I want you to sing it very well, okay? But you did a good job. Dalo. Chiwetalụ, ị nwere ajụjụ? Do you have a question for me? Chiwetalụ, do you have any question for me? Okay, I muted you. Go ahead. Do you have ị nwere ajụjụ, Chiwetalụ? Unmute.
I don't have a question.
How do you say, I don't have a question in Igbo? Enweghị m ajụjụ. Can you say that?
Enweghị m ajụjụ.
Dalo. Okay, there's another person who's supposed to sing it too today. who's supposed to sing with Chiwetalu today? If you know you're one of them, I need you to, okay, Chimbus, is it Chimsonarim? Angwa Chimsonarim, unmute yourself. Chimsonarim, unmute yourself. Ngwa.
I'm not supposed to sing, just that I want to
sang.
sing.
No,
Yes.
yeah, you did already. It wasn't you. That was
Yep.
somebody. I think it's supposed to be Chibikem. Chibikem or Noiba. Chibikem wele akagelu. Chibikem wele akagelu. That's supposed to be Chibikem. Chibikem or Noiba. Okay, Chibikem another. Okay, Lizzie, you want to okay, Lizzie, I see your hand up. Go ahead and unmute yourself. Can you unmute yourself, Lizzie?
That was an accident.
Okay, it's a bother. Okay, now everyone, we're going to start class now. We're doing pronouns. And remember, I told you to keep learning your phrases and your greetings. You have to keep learning the phrases and greetings, okay? Because I'm gonna start asking you questions one by one. You need to know all of them and be fluent. Use them. Say it in the house every time, okay? Please, please, please. Biko, biko, biko. Biko means please. Learn all the phrases. If you remember a lot of you have no phones. Tell your parents to print them out and give to you, okay? All right, so tata, anyị ga-eme pronouns. Anyị ga-eme pronouns, Igbo pronouns. Igbo pronouns is called nnochi aha. Nnochi aha. All right, so that's what you call pronouns. Now, so some people are coming late. Okay, so nnochi aha, Igbo pronouns. This Igbo pronouns is called nnochi aha. Okay, pronouns is called something that replaces something, okay? So the pronouns, you know what it is? The name, so you know what it is. When instead of you saying chinsonarim, you say she, okay? If it's a boy, you say he, okay? Instead of saying the person's name, you use the pronouns. That's what it is, okay? So now, we're going to learn those possessive one. It's always when you say, Nkem, my mom, my dad, my friend, my sister, or my brother. So for example, we're gonna use the me, right? This one is mine. It means mine. Okay? When you use this word, me, Nkem, okay? It's me in the alphabet. But if you're saying mine, because this letter means what? Mine. It means my. That's what it means. Everybody, you don't need to do anything. I need you to pay attention. Okay? You need to look on the screen to see what I'm doing. If you say mine, okay? It's possessive. It's your own. Has, its. These are all you say, okay? Mine, yours, hers, its, ours. So theirs. This is when you say something belongs to somebody or it belongs to you. Okay. If you want to say here, we're going to say, my brother. You say, my brother. Brother is nwannem nwoke. Nwannem nwoke. Nwannem nwoke means my brother. My sister, nwannem nwanyị. So now, see, brother is nwannem. See that? You can put it together, you can separate it. Nwoke means a male. A male is nwoke. Okay? Nwannem nwoke means my brother. My brother. If it's nwannem nwanyị, nwanyị means the female. Okay? A girl or a female. When you say my sister. You see, it's switched. Even though when you say mine, it's mine, which is the M, is the beginning of it in English. But in Igbo, that M comes last. My sister. So the mine stays on the last, okay? It's the last thing you say. One, see, your sibling comes first, then M comes last. My sister is one. The M is mine. One nwanyị. Nwanyị means a female. Don't forget, it means a female. This is female. And then this is female. And male. Nwoke is male. Don't forget this. Okay? Don't forget it. And mine is M. Okay? Sibling. It's one. Sibling. My brother. Sibling is one. Now, I'm putting it because I want you not to forget it. So, one, I'm going to put it separate. So now, when you say one means what? Sibling. Oh, come on. I don't know what's going on, man. This thing is frozen. Okay. When you say one is sibling. Sibling, okay? When you say mine, it means that's okay? Don't forget. And when you say nwoke, it means male. When you say one is female. Okay? Okay, let's say male. Put male first. Male means okay. When you say female, it means one. You need to pay attention because I'm going to ask you questions, okay? So, one sibling. When you say one name, it means my sibling. Okay? Don't forget all this. Now, we say here, my sibling, which is one name. One name, that's what it is. Okay, my sibling, one name. My sibling, one name. Hey, Chinoso, who is that person? Oh, one name. If I ask who is the person? One name, okay, if it's a boy, if it's your brother. One name, okay. If it's your sister. One name, nwanye. See how I'm pronouncing it? One name, nwanye means your sister. One name, okay, means your brother. Now, if it's your dad or your father, papam. Remember, M comes last. That's mine, M-Y. It's last when you're saying it in Igbo. But when you're saying it in English, mine comes first. My father. Okay. My mother or my mom. All right. So let's put here. My dad. You can say my father. Or my mom, my dad. I'm sure that everybody's seeing what I'm doing. Look on the screen. Don't do anything. Papam. Now, when you say my mom, my mother, or you can say my mom, my mother or mom means my mom. Some people say nem, my mom. Some people say nem, but nam. we're going to put it here. Whichever one you want to say. Nem. Or you can say nam. It means the same thing. It means papam, mamam. You can say nam. You can say nem when you're saying my dad, papam. When you're saying my mom, mamam. Okay. Now hand, it's aka. When you're saying my hand, you say akam. Akam. Now a bag is what? Apa. When you're saying my bag, you say apam. My friend. Friend means what? Any. Any. And when you say my friend, enyim, enyim, I will ask you a question. So you better pay attention on this. Don't tell me I'm agamia. No, I don't want to hear that because you're supposed to know it. Okay, so this is pronoun. We're doing pronouns. And we did all this possessive. The M only is what I'm giving you examples. And you have to know them. Okay, we're going to do all the pronouns. Okay, we have all the pronouns here. We have all these pronouns. We're going to do all the list of them, okay? All right, so let me leave this one for now. We're going to do it all here. Okay, so moving on. You see, all the pronouns are here. All the pronouns are here. They are all here. All right, so let's back up and put all the examples here for you to see. Okay, so you look at all these pronouns. I want you all to know all of them. Let me change something over you. Oh no. Okay. Oh no, it's supposed to be this. Everybody, you can see the board very well, right? If you can't see it, let me know. Okay, so we finished the first one, mine or mine. Now the second one, nke abụọ. Nke mbụ means number one. Nke abụọ means number two. When I say nke, now I say number one. Nke mbụ, okay? When I say number one, it means nke mbụ, one. Otu, okay? Two, abụọ. Three, atọ. Don't forget you're supposed to know your number. Four, anọ. Five, ise. Six, isi. Seven, asa. Eight, sato. Nine, itenane, or you can say itolu, or you can say itegete. So I'm going to be saying the numbers in Igbo. Otu, which is in Kembo. The me, which is mine or mine. Now the other pronoun, which is mu. Mu means me. This mu is me. Okay? When I say, help me, you see that? Nyamu, give it to me. Nyamu means give it to me. Nyamu ya, give it to me. If I say, mu nage, it means you and I, okay? Mu nage, me and you. In English, it's you and I, but in Igbo, it's me and you. Me, the word me is mo. Whenever you're writing something in Igbo and you want to say me, this is the word you say. Mo, mo, mo. You're supposed to sound it yourself so you know how to say it. Now, number three, nkato. Nkato, se. Ge. Ge is when I'm talking, like when I say, hey, Adeze, I'm talking to you. When you're pointing at somebody and say, you. So give means you. And when I say it is yours, your bag, your hand. When I say your, it's when I'm pointing at you and I want to say something. Somebody's Chichi A. Chichi A. Now clean whatever you're writing on the screen and stop writing. I need you to clean it right away. If you do that again, I will take you out of the class. I told you, don't touch the screen. Don't play around with your screen. Clean up. I want you to be the one to clean what you're writing, Chichi. You're not supposed to touch your screen. Clean it up. When you're in this class, I need you to pay attention. Chichi, I need you to clean what you wrote on the screen. And don't touch your screen again. I need you to clean the line you wrote on the screen, Chichi. The red line, clean it up. And don't touch your screen. If you do that again, Chichi, I will take you out. I want to know if somebody is there with Chichi, because she's not supposed to be writing on the screen. Chichi A. Chichi A on Eba, I need you to unmute yourself and answer me. I want you to say Anam Eba, Chichi A. Can you unmute yourself? If any of the parents is there with Chichi, I need you to answer, please. I need you to unmute yourself. Can Chichi unmute? Okay, Chichi, I need you to unmute yourself. Can Chichi unmute? If any of the parents is there, please. Okay, I need you to clean that line right now, Chichi. You're not supposed to touch the screen. Can you clean it? Yeah, clean it. Next time, don't touch your screen. I need you to only listen and comprehend what I'm teaching. When you keep playing with your screen, you are not paying attention. I need you to clean it, Chichi. You have to clean it up. Can you clean it? Chichi, can you clean it? I don't want to restrict you from unmuting or touching, because if I do that, you won't be able to do anything. So I need you to go ahead and clean it, Chichi. Don't waste time, okay? You need to clean it up. Okay, everybody. When we say mu, it means me. So whenever you're trying to say anything about me, you need to say mu. We need to do some drill. I'll give you homework to practice at home. Gi means you. When you're saying it belongs to you, it is yours. Okay, it is theirs, it is ours. Okay, but this is your or yours. When you're pointing, it's direct. When you're talking to somebody one-on-one, and you say you, it means gay. There's another you, okay? For example, this game means, for example, you say, I am talking to you. Okay, we're gonna do example here. So when we do example here, everybody pay attention. So this game, it is yours, okay? We're going to say, it is yours. So you see how to say it. It is yours. It is, okay, let's say it is your book. It is your book, okay? So this is how you say it is your book. Oh, it means oh, we're getting there. It means oh, okay? You use this letter oh. It is yours. Oh, nkege. Say oh, nkege. Oh, it is your book. Or akwụkwọ, akwụkwọ gị. Or akwụkwọ gị. You see, gị means your, okay? Or akwụkwọ gị. It means it is your book. It is your book. If you say nke gị, it means it belongs to you. Nke gị means it belongs to you. Or akwụkwọ gị, it is your book. Book means akwụkwọ or paper. Akwụkwọ means a paper or book. Akwụkwọ, akwụkwọ. Pay attention to that. Gị means your. So I need you to pay attention to this. It can be yours, okay? It can be your, can be you. It is your book. Okay. And then if you say, who are you talking to? I am talking to you. I am talking to you. Ana m agwa gị. So another example is, I am talking to you. You can say, I am talking to you. I am talking to you. Means anam, I am. Anam, I am. That's what it is. Agwa. Agwa means talking. Agwa. Ge. You see the word, ge? You. See how to use this. I don't want you to be confused because we are going to do the other one. If we do the other one, you may be confused. Ana m agwa gị. I am talking to you. Ana m agwa gị. Mama, ana m agwa gị. Mama, ana m ekwuru gị. Okay? Can say, mother, I'm talking to you. Ana m ekwuru gị. Can say, mama, ana m agwa gị. Let's do that one. Can say, mom, I'm talking to you. Mom, I am talking to you. I am talking to you. So you say, Mama, anam ekwuru gị. Ekwuru gị. See there? See the highlighted one? That's what it is. And it means you here. That's how you use it. So don't be confused. When you see you, the pronoun you, and then in this case, you are. So no one to say, see it, they are all highlighted. Now we're going to do the other one. So don't get confused. The other one is a. A, in this case now, when you say a, okay, when you say a biara. A biara, you came. You came. That's the word you. Okay? So when you use this one, let's go down here. When you use this one and say a biara. Okay, we're going to use this one and say, it's a direct talk. So we're gonna give example here. When you use this one and say a biara, okay? Chichi, you still did not clean what you wrote. I'm still waiting for you to clean it up. Next time, you don't touch your screen. You have to clean it. Okay, when you say a biara, a, you, when you're talking to somebody, say a biara, you have to, it's a direct talk. This is the other word, you, which is a. I want you to know when to use them, okay? You say a biara, okay? A biara. Okay, when you say you came, you came means a biara, a biara. It means you came. Biara means came. A biara. when you want to say, oh, okay. Did you come? Did you? Don't forget the word where the key word is you, which is a. Now, when you say, did you come? You can say, did you come? E biara. Say, did you come? Did you come? It's a question. This one is a question. E biara. Did you come? E biara. Somebody is raising hand. Wait, I'll give you a chance to ask question. E biara, the letter E. E biara, that's the one we're talking about. E biara is a question. E biara is a question. If you have a question, you have to wait, write it down. I said, come to class with a paper and pencil or pen so you can ask question. This word is A. That's not L. That's A. This is A biara, okay? So this is the capital I. This is small I. The capital I is what we're doing here. That's what it is. So I don't want you to think it's L. It's I. This is how you write capital I in Igbo. Okay, and the other one is small I. You're not going to write two of them. I'm just giving you example. This is what it is. It's a small I. Okay, you punctuate both of them. The small I should be punctuated. The small A should be punctuated up and down. Both of them should be punctuated. All right, so A biara, did you come? A biara is not a question, means you came. A biara means you came. And then A biara. You see, there are different ways to say it. A biara, right? Now I'm going to make somebody sound it. Let me tell somebody, the one for the question, did you come? Means A biara. A biara. Did you come? The one that is just you came is E biara. E biara. The question one is E biara. E biara. The one without a question is E biara, which is you came. So you're gonna, when I ask you to say it, you say it in English and say it in Igbo. Okay? So let me challenge somebody to tell us how to say both of them. And that's why I say pay attention and keep your hand off the screen. Just listen when you come to class. Arinze or higher. Arinze, unmute yourself. Arinze, unmute yourself. Arinze, unmute yourself. Did Arinze unmute? Okay. Angel, unmute. You're gonna do fast. When I tell you to unmute yourself, please unmute yourself. We need to keep going. Angel, can you unmute yourself? Angel, you never.
Ndewo.
Ndewo. Never. How do you answer when I ask? No, ever. Angel, what did I ask you? Angel. When I say ever, it means are you here? You will say, anam eba. Yes, I am here. Did you forget how to say it?
Oh no. Anam eba.
There you go. Now, how do you sound? You came.
Ebera.
Good, Dalo. Now, how do you sound? Did you come?
Ebera.
Koyaza. Koyaza means say it again.
Ebera.
No, not quite. You're still saying you came. You came. Ebiara. Ebiara. That's not how to sound it. Can you sound Ebiara?
Eberam.
There you go. Ebiara means a question. Okay, that's one that has a question. I keep seeing Ndale. Is it Ndale? Ndale and Ike. Ndale, okay, unmute yourself. I want to know. You have a question? Go ahead and unmute yourself and ask your question. I don't normally allow people to ask questions. We ask questions at the end. Okay, you know what? You're joking, Ndala. Ndala, can you talk? Or Ike? You unmuted yourself. Can you speak?
Dolly does have a question.
Ndalo, can you ask a question? Okay. Ndalo is not talking. All right, so we move on. Let me ask another person to tell us how to say you came and did you come? Akonna, unmute yourself. Akonna, how do you say, did you come?
Ibiara.
Ebiara. And how did you say you came?
Ibiaga.
Akonna, line on screen there. How do you say you came?
Ibiara.
You're still asking a question. Ebiara means, did you come? Now, the first one that say you came, how do you say it? Can you look on the screen and say it and read it out? That's all you need to do.
Ibiara.
Ebiara. Can you say Ebiara?
Ibiara.
There you go. The other one is Ebiara. So everybody pay attention. I'm not talking to Akone alone. Everybody should know it. Everybody should know it, how to sound it. Now, we have the Nkano that says, yeah. This is the third person. Yeah is indirect. If right now, Shidegu and Chisum and myself, and then I will say, who took my phone? And Chisum will say, Chisum will be pointing at Chidegu and say, oh, yeah. You see that? Pay attention again, everybody. When I came out, Chisum, Chidegu, they're sitting on the table. And then I came out and said, hey, who took my phone? Now Chisom will point at Chidegu and tell me, yeah. So Chisom will not tell me it was Chidegu's, but he will say, yeah, pointing at Chidegu. You see what I'm saying? It is him. Oh, yeah. So Chidegu will say, he. You see that? Yeah. He took it, okay? Yeah is wanted. It belongs to him. So yeah is him, her, okay? Not he. It's when you say him or her. Okay? So this is when you say, when you're pointing at somebody. Him. Okay? Oh yeah. It is him. Okay? So, oh yeah. He did it. He, him, or her. Okay, so you need to know when you're doing that. When you're pointing at somebody, say, yeah, him. Okay, or her. When you point at somebody, say, he took it. Him. Who did it? She. Okay, she did it. Okay. Oh, yeah. When you say, yeah, Mere, yeah, She did it. Yeah, Maria. Or you can say him or her. Or you can say or he or her. She did it. Okay? So, but right now, when you're pointing at somebody and say, she did it, get her, get him. So don't forget to use ya, can be he, or can be him or her. Ya can be him or her when you point at somebody. So I'm going to write it here. When you point at somebody. Okay, so this is when you point at somebody. When you're pointing at the third person. The third person. That's when you say, when you're pointing at the third person and telling me that person did it, but you're not talking to that person, but you're talking to me. Okay, I'm the first person. You, Chisom, is the second person. Chidewu is the third person. And Chisom, I'm the one that asked a question. Chisom is the one talking to me, telling me that, pointing at Chidewu, that Chidewu ate my food. When I say, who ate my food? Chisom is going to point at Chidewu and say, Chidewu ate your food. See, she's telling me secret, right? Chidewu didn't know that she's telling me, okay, that she told me he did it. So pay attention to that. Now, we have or is when you're talking about he, she, it. Okay. When you say, she is coming, he is coming. Okay. When you say, instead of saying Amara is coming, you say that Amara is coming today. Today means start. Know your phrases. Go review the phrases. I will repost it. Amara is coming today. Amara is coming today. So instead of saying Amara, you use she. Amara is a girl name, right? You use she. Instead of you saying, Arinze came to my house. You use he. That's what we call pronouns. This he is going to replace Arinze's name because he is for voice, right? For male. You say he. You see that? So that's what we are doing. Instead of you saying, my dog is running. My dog will run. You use dog is it. Dog is it. So, because we don't know if your dog is a male or female, we don't know if your dog is a girl or a boy dog. So you use it. Okay? If it's an animal, use it. If it's an object or it's an object, you use like a cup, a bag, a book. You see, it is not here. Where is your book? Book, it is not here. Do you have your book? I don't have it. Do you have your phone? I don't have it. Do you have your glasses? I don't have it. Okay? So you use it to describe all these objects. So animal, we use it. A cat, you use it. A chair, you use it. But when it comes to persons, people, so use he, she. Okay? All right. So now, Amara is she. We're going to use she here. She, so this is the word we are using here, she. This is the word we are using, she. This is the word we are. Somebody keeps trying to use the AI. I keep denying. Stop requesting. I'm not going to let you use it in this class. So pay attention. No AI in this class. Just pay attention. So because I'm not going to let you, I need you to pay attention when you come to class. Stop trying to use AI. No, forget about it now. If you want to use it, call me. Let's talk later. Okay. I want to know the reason you want to use it. Okay. So we are talking about it. It's all the letter O, the alphabet O means he, she, it. Now, let's say them in Igbo. We won't be able to finish all of them today, but we'll continue next time. Amara. Now, we're not going to use the name Amara. We use she is coming today. We use the letter or. Remember, I told you that's what you use. Okay. Or, which is Amara. Ona, abia. Ona, abia. Abia means coming. Tata. You can say ta. Or you can say tata. Don't use both of them. Just use one. Okay. Ona, abia, ta. If you want to say, my mom is coming today. My mom, na abia, tata. You see that? All you need to do, just change it. If you're raising your hand, pause. I'll give you a chance to ask questions. Let's finish the lecture, okay? Well, once I finish lecturing, you can ask questions. Ona abia ta. Okay. Now, he is coming. The same or. You still use what? Or. Chidemma is okay. I'll give you a chance. Keep leaving your hands up. I'll give you a chance to ask questions. He came to my house. Oh, biara. Oh, biara. Biara means came. Oh, biara. Na. Olom. Olom means house. Oh, biara na. Olom. Olom, my house. Olom. Now, the third one, Kato, said, keep leaving your hand up. I see all your hands. My dog will run. Nketam. Nketam. You can use it. Means dog. My dog. It will run. Okay? Or you can say or. The same or. Which is my dog. This is Nketam. Nketam means dog. Nketam. Say that means oh. Nketam. You can say Nketam gaboso. Also means run. Hey, nena boso. Boso means run. Run. When I say, when your mom or your dad say boso, it means run. Ba also means to run. Ba also run. Okay, when you say Nketam ga aba. Also, say that. Also, Nketam ga aba. Also. That's how you say it. All right, so we're gonna continue next time. Let me see how many of you have questions from what we did. Kedonye nwelo ajojo. Now, we didn't do help me. Let's do that one. Let's give example for help me. Example. Okay. Okay. If I say, help me, say the word me. That's what we are doing here. That's what we are doing. Me. It should be nyeremu aka. Okay. Nyeremu, help me means nyeremu aka. Okay. Nyere means to help. Nyere means to help. Now, mu say that. The word mu, nyere mu aka. Okay, nyere mu aka. Help me. Oh, come on. My computer keeps jumping. Nyere mu aka. Aka means help. When you say help a homeless person, nyere ya aka. Nyere ya aka. Help him or her. Okay. Nyerem aka, help me. That's the example. And then we did a lot of we gave a lot of examples on this one, the possessive one. All right, so we're going to put it down here. We get all of them and put here. I think we put it down here. All of them of mo, how to use it. So don't forget, because I'm going to ask you questions next week. So after this, now you're going to ask your questions. All right, so this is this one. The my mom, my dad, my this, my that. Okay, so this is the example for this one. I don't know what's going on with this. Okay. All right. Let me see your hands up. Can you stop playing around? Chidemma. Okay. Let me see all the hands up. Chiwetalo. Unmute yourself. Some of you keep playing. I'm going to block all of you from touching your screen, if that's what you want. And if you continue to do that, I will take you out of the class next time. If you play with your screen, let me give you a warning. I will take you out of the class. Keep your hands off your screen. Stop playing around. You keep playing, you're not paying attention, and you're not learning anything. Because when I ask you a question, you don't get it. After 2 months and you don't learn anything, I'll kick you out of the class because you need to learn. Because I keep watching you. I know who is playing in the class. You're not supposed to play in this class. Okay? You need to listen to me when I'm teaching. That's how you learn. Okay, Chiwetala, unmute yourself.
Ahambo Ngozi.
Okay, Ngozi ndewo. Kedu ka imelụ tata?
Ọ dị mma.
Adị m mma. Okay. Kedu ebe ị nọ ugbu a? I know you asked your question, but let's have a conversation. Kedu ebe ị nọ ugbu a? Did you understand what I said? Where are you now? Try to answer in Igbo. Kedu ebe ị nọ ugbu a?
Anọ m Florida.
Anọ m na Florida. Yay, there you go. Okay, ngwa, gịnị wụ ajụjụ gị? What is your question? Or what are your questions?
Yes. I have the question. And where
Can you try to say it in Igbo?
And where ajụjụ.
The other one. My question is Ajujumbo.
Ajujumbo.
There you go.
When we say you direct, it is never I, it is always just one I.
Yeah. Okay. Now, for you to understand it very well, it's I. I'll just put the capital and the small letter so that they will not, it's not L. Now, let's do that. Give me example in English. Let's do that. That will help you. Give me the example for the A and the example for the two U's so that you get it. You see how we did? Now, it's say G here, right?
Sorry.
The A1 example, it is your book or akwụkwọ gị. You see how we did that?
Yes, and I apologize. I had someone at my door when you were teaching that one, so I had to step away.
That's all right. That's okay. It's all right. So, like, give me example, different, like for G and A. Let's do it. It will help you more understand it.
Yes.
So,
So
give me a simple English sentence.
I see you.
Okay.
Or
I see you. Good. It's a good one. I see is ahụrụ m. Good. It's a new word for you to put in your vocabulary. I see you. This is a good example. Ahụrụ m gị. Ahụrụ m gị. You see the gị here. I
yeah,
see that is you. Ahụrụ m gị. And that's this you here. Let's remove this one. See you. Ahụrụ m gị. That's a good example. Say good. Now the other one. Make another for the other you when you're also talking direct.
did you?
Can we say, did you
Oh.
see me? You want to use that one? Or do you have one to do?
See me? Did you see me?
Did you see me? Okay. Did you? So which is this you? Did you see? Did you see? Okay, let's say, did you see her? Because we already did it.
Oh.
Or did you see him or her? Let's say, did you see him? Did you see him? Is a question. Now, it's going to be a. You see that? A horror. That's when you use that I. Ngozi, did you see that? So that's when you use the A, the I. So that's when you say a horror. Can you tell me what would be there? Uh-oh, what did I just do? I don't know what I just did. What? Let's go back again. Something went wrong. Okay. So that's when you use the letter A, horror. Okay. You say a horror. Remember, I say ahorum. This is a possessive when you're saying it. That's why we put this because I want you to know why we use the here. Because you're the one saying it. And remember, you have two letters you apply when you are saying something, addressing yourself, okay? That's why we say ahorumge. Now, did you see me? You're asking me now, did I see you? So it's going to be ehoro. That A is me. You're asking me. You, okay? Ehoro. Ehoromo. You see that? The mo, ehoromo. Did you see the difference between two of them? When you say, I see you. Ehoromge. Nah, but this one is, did you see him? Ehoroya. So this is ya, him. Remember when we did this one? Ehoroya. Because is it clear? It's very, very clear to you.
Yes.
Okay. Remember we say yeah is him or her or it. So this is it here now. Come on, I need to highlight here. Did you see him? Him is yeah. Okay. And please, I'm going to send out a homework, but work on this. It's going to help you. So, Ngozi ka nwere ajụjụ. Do you have more questions?
Mba.
Okay,
Daalụ.
daalụ. Chinsonarim, unmute yourself. Chinsonarim, unmute. Chinsonarim, unmute yourself. You have permission to mute. Go ahead.
I'm on mute.
Okay, well, gịnị bụ ajụjụ gị?
Ajụjụ m bụ, aha bụ Chimsonari Honor. Chọrọ m
Enwere m ajụjụ.
Enwere ajụjụ. Ajụjụ mbụ. If there's a word in Igbo and if there's a word in English and in Igbo that word is still the same word in English?
No, so and the word in Igbo and this is and here. When you say and it means na. And it means na. For example, we're going to give example now, okay? Chinsanarams, for example, when you say Chinsonarim and Amaka, Chim, okay? When you say Chimsonarim and Amaka, it means Chimsonarim, it means you, Chimsonarim na. You see that? So that's, you're gonna put na here. You put na. You see that? That's how you say that. If you say me and you, if you say here me and you, it means you, monage, mo, na, ge. You see that? You use na for and. You get it now, Chinsonarim. Chinsonarim, are you there? Uh-oh, where did you go to? Chinsonarim, are you in Eba? Welia Kagelu. Chinsonarim, you got it? Uh-oh. You're not talking, Chinsonarim. Can you raise your hand? Okay, got it? I see your thumbs up. Okay, all right. I'm glad that you got it. I'm going to send the class note. Make sure you go over and you learn everything. Next week, we finish the pronouns up. If you don't have a question, then I'm going to unmute everybody because I want everybody to say, the word, right? See you next time in Igbo. Everybody. How do you say that?
Commission.
All right,
Commissioner.
Cardinal.